Welcome to Next Map, where we explore the most captivating corners of our planet. Today, we're diving into the natural beauty of Bangladesh, a land of lush greenery, tranquil rivers, and breathtaking landscapes. From serene hill tracts to pristine beaches, Bangladesh is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Let's embark on this enchanting journey together. The hill tracts and forests of Bangladesh offer a stark contrast to its riverine plains. These regions are havens of biodiversity and natural splendor. In the southeastern part of Bangladesh lies Bandarban, a district of rolling hills and lush greenery. From the peaks of Nilgiri and Thanchi, you can witness sweeping vistas of mist-covered mountains. The tranquil beauty of Bandarban makes it a perfect escape for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Sajek Valley, often called the Queen of Hills, is a paradise above the clouds. Located in the Chittagong Hill Tracts, this picturesque valley offers stunning views, vibrant tribal culture, and refreshing cool air. The journey to Sajek is an adventure in itself, with winding roads and panoramic views at every turn. The Sundarbans, the world's largest mangrove forest, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This natural wonder is home to the iconic Royal Bengal tiger and a myriad of other species. Navigating the Sundarbans' labyrinth of waterways, you'll encounter a serene yet wild beauty that's unmatched anywhere in the world. The coastline of Bangladesh is adorned with stunning beaches and serene islands, offering a tranquil retreat from the bustling world. Cox's Bazar, the world's longest unbroken sea beach, stretches over 120 kilometers. Its golden sands and gentle waves create a mesmerizing escape. Whether it's a quiet stroll along the beach or a vibrant sunset view, Cox's Bazar never fails to enchant its visitors. St. Martin's Island, locally known as Narakel Jinjira, is the only coral island in Bangladesh. Its crystal-clear waters and vibrant marine life make it a haven for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. The island's peaceful ambiance and stunning natural beauty make it a must-visit destination. Kuakata, known as the Daughter of the Sea, offers a rare view of both sunrise and sunset over the Bay of Bengal. Its serene beaches and fresh seafood create an unforgettable experience for visitors. Bangladesh is known as the land of rivers, with over 700 rivers weaving through its landscape. These rivers shape the geography, culture, and livelihoods of the nation. The Padma River, one of the major rivers in Bangladesh, is a lifeline for millions. Its mighty currents and fertile banks support agriculture and provide breathtaking views. The beauty of the Padma is best experienced during sunrise or sunset, when its waters glisten with hues of orange and gold. The Jamuna River, with its wide expanse, is a marvel of nature. It's a hub of activity, with fishermen casting their nets and boats, ferrying goods and people. As you glide along the Jamuna, the harmony of life on and around the river will leave you spellbound. The Meghna, one of the widest rivers in Bangladesh, is a spectacle of natural beauty. Its deltaic ecosystem supports diverse flora and fauna, making it a crucial part of the country's environment. The Meghna's serene waters and vibrant riverine life create a picturesque scene that captures the essence of Bangladesh. Bangladesh's wetlands are vital ecosystems that support diverse wildlife and offer stunning natural beauty. Ratargul Swamp Forest, often referred to as the Amazon of Bangladesh, is a freshwater swamp forest located in Sylhet. It's a unique ecosystem that floods during the monsoon season, creating an enchanting aquatic world. Exploring Ratargul by boat is a surreal experience, with sunlight filtering through the trees and reflections dancing on the water. Tanguar Haor, a vast wetland in northeastern Bangladesh, is a sanctuary for migratory birds and a hotspot for biodiversity. During the monsoon, the Haor transforms into a vast expanse of water, creating a magical landscape that's perfect for boating and birdwatching. The natural beauty of Bangladesh is deeply intertwined with its people. Their harmonious relationship with nature is evident in their daily lives and cultural practices. For the riverine communities, life revolves around the water. From fishing to farming, their livelihoods are a testament to their resilience and ingenuity. These communities exemplify a sustainable way of living, deeply connected to their natural surroundings. The indigenous tribes of the Hill Tracts preserve their rich traditions while living in harmony with the environment. Their vibrant attire, unique rituals, and close-knit communities are a window into a way of life that values nature. Visiting these communities offers a chance to learn from their wisdom and appreciate their sustainable practices. From its rivers and forests to its beaches and wetlands, Bangladesh is a land of unparalleled natural beauty. But what truly sets it apart is the spirit of its people and their enduring connection to the land. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the natural wonders of Bangladesh. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Map for more adventures around the world. Until next time, keep exploring and stay inspired.